Hello friends. Welcome to navitasefficens. Navitasefficens is an internationally registered brand and company working in diverse areas of energy sector since 2012. Presenting you a turnkey shade structure project using M.S.Material for a bungalow. 34 feet by 40 feet shade, in pre-galvanized iron covered with PUF Insulated Roofing Panels. Watch this full video to check it out. How to stay up to date with our latest project videos, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and share the videos. Let us watch our 3D digital model. Let us go in detail with actual process. Our skilled manpower working on site. It is a perfect combination and sizing of trusses, columns, rafters to achieve a stable and balanced sloping structure in M.S.Material. After purling installation, roof was covered with PUF Insulated Roofing Panels. PUF panels are an acronym of polyurethane foam, which is a layer of material sandwiched between two GI metal sheets. The foaming material ensures proper insulation from heat as well as cold, maintaining the room temperature inside. Let us check before and after process work. Structure and PUF panel installation was done following the digital model to achieve maximum accuracy. We will be happy to serve you to complete your dream project in such professional way. Thank you for watching.